Instant photography by Kodak and the first day of school.
You can feel it. Get closer. Suddenly, it's a beginning.
I'll be back to
You can feel it. Getting stronger.
Suddenly, it's all around you.
Hi, I'm Miss Foster. Since there's just one of me and so many of you, I'd like you to help me get to know you better. With pictures. Now let's see, who'll be first?
You can feel it.
Gary?
When it happens,
Okay, there we go.
suddenly, people get closer. Suddenly, you see a smile glowing with each passing moment. Suddenly, you're giving more and you're closer than you've ever been before. Suddenly, it's in the air, a real and special kind of sharing. Smiling eyes look so surprised, they're brighter than they've ever been before.
With Kodak ColourBurst, you get more than just a beautiful instant picture. You get a beautiful experience.
Suddenly, you're giving more and you're closer than you've ever been. Yes, suddenly, look and see, look at all the joy and laughter.
It's gonna have a picture of you, Miss Foster.
You're closer.
Kodak ColourBurst cameras. Instant photography with the confidence of color by Kodak. The more you take, the more you give.